In this how-to video, we're going to show you how to prepare and publish a golden image from a draft in Caviza. Caviza's image management cycle works as follows. We start by importing an ISO image as a virtual machine, installing the Caviza agent on it, then editing it and patching it with any applications or patches. And once we're done with that, sysprepping the image, testing a disposable copy, and saving it as a published golden image. From the golden image, Caviza can automatically generate virtual desktops for us. In this video, we're going to cover steps 3 through 5 of this process, and prior videos covered steps 0 through 2. To prepare a draft image, we utilize the Microsoft SysPrep process. And once we finish the SysPrep, Caviza automatically creates a disposable copy of that image for testing purposes. We'll show you in this video how to SysPrep an image, how to test it, and how to save it as a golden image. When we save a golden image, Caviza automatically propagates that image as needed across the grid of servers. So we always manage the grid as if it were one entity. In the Caviza administration console, we're going to click on Templates and within Templates on Images. We see that the Administrator WinXP draft image that we worked on in prior videos is now ready for the SysPrep process. In prior videos, we had imported this image as a virtual machine and we had edited it. The LED light on prep is green, letting us know that the image is ready for a SysPrep. Clicking on the Edit button takes us into the Caviza Image Management Wizard that guides us through the entire image setup process. We see that it's currently in the Prepare stage, and we're asked to enter some information that Caviza needs to generate virtual desktops from this golden image. First, we need to specify a domain that these desktops will join. Second, we need to provide credentials for an administrator who has rights to add and remove computers from this domain. We're also asked for details such as the Microsoft Volume license key, and we're able to set a time zone for these desktops. I'm going to pick Pacific time, and we can also set a prefix for the name for all the virtual desktops generated from this image. We're going to call this the KVZ video, golden image desktops. Now that we have set these things, we can click on Prepare to start the prepare process. This launches the Windows SysPrep utility, and the process will take some time. While it's running, we can close the wizard and we're free to move around the tool and perform other administrative functions. We can always check back on the status of the prepare both by seeing the LED indicator on prep, which as we see now is flashing yellow and green, letting us know that the tool is at work, and through the taskbar at the bottom of the screen that gives us a running status of all the events that Caviza is walking through. We see that the test LED is now blinking, letting us know that Caviza has completed the SysPrep and is now preparing a disposable copy of this golden image for our testing purposes. The test LED is now a solid green, letting us know that we're ready to test this golden image. Clicking on Edit launches us back in the Caviza Image Management Wizard, and we see that the wizard is now in the test state. We can connect to this desktop both via HDX and via RDP and test out the golden image from both protocols. Caviza recommends a checklist of some key items that we should verify when we're testing this image. Once we've verified these items, we can mark them and hit Next, which will take us to save and publish the image. So now Caviza is saving this desktop image, and all the changes we made in the test image will not be saved because that was a disposable copy. So just our golden image, exactly the way we prepared it, is now going to get saved. Clicking on Save starts the save process. And save is a two-step operation. First, Kavisa is going to publish this golden image so that we can generate virtual desktops from it. And second, Kavisa is automatically going to distribute this golden image as required across the servers in the Kavisa grid, both for load balancing and for high availability. Again, while save is running, we could close this wizard and get an update on the status through the LED, which as we can see is blinking, letting us know that save is in progress. Save is now complete, and we see that Kavisa is moving it to a distributing stage. So at this point, Kavisa is figuring out which servers in the grid need a copy of this golden image and is automatically distributing it. We see an indicator letting us know that the images are being distributed. While images are being propagated across the servers in the grid, it is highly recommended that you not do any major disruption to the state of these servers, like taking them down or changing their IP addresses. Clicking on the Servers tab, we see that there are only 2 servers in this grid, and we can get a status of what's happening to this image by clicking on the folder icon. We see that server 1 already has the image and is preparing to send the image to server 2, and we see that the second server is waiting for this image. So Kavisa has recognized that for high availability reasons, the 2 servers in this grid both need a copy of this image, and it's automatically propagating and distributing the golden image across these servers. Note that Kavisa does use linked clones technology and to save on disk space, and so once the image is propagated as required, the virtual desktops themselves will be thin clones of these golden images. Distributing is now complete and the status has changed to published. This indicates to us that this image is now live on the grid and we are ready to provision virtual desktops from it. In this video, we saw how we can take an image through the process of sysprepping, testing, and saving it as a golden image. We saw a golden image get published and automatically distributed by Kavisa across a grid of servers. In the next video, we will cover how you can create a template and automatically provision virtual desktops from our golden image. Thank you.